Hello kids! Today we are going to learn how a seed can grow to a big tree. This is the secret and don't tell anybody. Are you ready kids? All right, sit tight and let's go.
So, this is Alexa. Say hi to Alexa, kids. Alexa will explain how to grow a seed to a plant.
Hi, I am Alexa. Nice to meet you. Today we are going to plant this little seed and how the little seed will turn into big plant.
Now Alexa planting the seed in the soil. Every plant starts from a tiny seed like this. Be careful, Alexa, you can do it.
Thank you for the advice. First we need to dig a hole and then we plant the seed into the hole.
Next step, Alexa watering the seed. Water helps the seed grow. It's like giving the seed a nice drink.
Drink up, little seed. I hope you grow big and strong.
Sunlight gives the seed energy to grow. Just like how we need food, plants need sunlight to become big and healthy.
Wow! The sun is like the plant's food.
All right, Alexa, after a few days you can see tiny roots grow from the seed. They dig deep into the soil to find water and food.
I didn't know the roots grow first, under the ground where we can't see them. I just cannot wait for it to grow bigger.
After the roots are strong, the seed sends a sprout up into the air, reaching for the sunlight.
Yay! The seed has been sprouted. Hello, little sprout. You're finally here.
Looks like the sprout is healthy, Alexa. With water, sunlight and time, the sprout grows into a perfect plant. Look how tall it's getting.
You're growing so fast. Soon you'll have flowers, or maybe even fruit.
Plants need care just like we do. It needs water, sunlight and love to help them grow strong every day.
Okay, I'll make sure to take good care of you every day.
From a tiny seed to a beautiful plant, that's the magic of nature.
Who knew something so small could grow into something so amazing? And now you know how seeds grow into plants. What will you plant next? Thank you for your watching and don't forget to subscribe.